Yeah, let him do it.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's like fry after fry.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at your brother.